Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to copy trade crypto on eToro for maximum returns. Copy trading is a popular feature on eToro that allows you to automatically replicate the trades of experienced traders, potentially generating significant profits. To get started, you need to create an account on eToro and verify your identity. First, log into your eToro account and navigate to the Copy Trader section. Here, you can browse through a list of top-performing traders, filtered by their performance, risk level, and assets traded. Look for traders with a high profit percentage, low risk score, and a long track record of successful trading. Once you have selected a trader to copy, you can view their portfolio, trading history, and risk profile. This information will help you understand their trading strategy and make an informed decision. You can also set a stop loss to limit your potential losses if the trader's performance declines. To start copying a trader, simply click the copy button and allocate a portion of your funds to the trader. You can copy multiple traders to diversify your portfolio and minimize risk. eToro also offers a feature called Copy Portfolio, which allows you to copy a pre-curated portfolio of traders. It is essential to monitor the performance of the traders you are copying and adjust your portfolio accordingly. You can close a copy at any time, and the funds will be returned to your account. To maximize your returns, it is crucial to have a long-term perspective and not to be deterred by short-term market fluctuations. Best practices for copy trading on eToro include starting with a small investment, diversifying your portfolio, and regularly monitoring the performance of the traders you are copying. By following these steps and best practices, you can potentially generate significant profits from copy trading crypto on eToro. In conclusion, copy trading on eToro can be a lucrative way to invest in cryptocurrency, but it requires a thorough understanding of the platform and the traders you are copying. By doing your research, setting clear goals, and managing your risk, you can maximize your returns and achieve success in the world of cryptocurrency trading.